This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the legal right to submit a strike and why that matters. Platforms act on clear ownership. Gather evidence next: original files, registration numbers, timestamps, and any correspondence proving permission or lack thereof. Once you have proof, open the platform's copyright form and select the correct claim type. Make sure to match URLs or content ID precisely. Start with concise factual language. Avoid emotion. And prepare a sign statement if the platform requires it, because an accurate initial filing prevents delays. Now you fill out the platform's takedown form carefully so the notice is enforceable. Enter exact URLs, video ID, or post links, and describe precisely what content infringes and where your original appears. Explain good faith belief that the use is unauthorized, then provide accurate contact info and an electronic signature if required. This validates the claim. Once done, attach or reference your evidence and choose between DMCA or the platform's specific policy. Keep a saved copy of the submitted form for record keeping and potential follow-up. Finish by monitoring the outcome and managing responses. This step closes the loop. Check that content is removed and save screenshots and takedown confirmations with timestamps. If the uploader files a counter notice, act fast, review its merits, consider settlement or legal counsel, and be prepared to withdraw or litigate, because counter notices can trigger putback unless you sue. If platform processes fail, escalate via platform appeal, registrar complaint, or court. One troubleshooting tip: if misfiled, correct or retract immediately to avoid perjury or penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.